there, what's up? Welcome to Overland Adventures. We're Albert and Trasa, and we're on a mission to tour as much of the United States as we can in our Storyteller Adventure van Ghosts. In this episode, we kick off a 2-week trip to Oregon and Washington by exploring Crater Lake National Park and the surrounding area. So come on, let's get this Overland Adventure started. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Over the next few weeks, we are going to be checking out all the best spots in Oregon and Washington. We're going to try to hug the coast, but also hit as many national parks as we can. And we are hitting it off this morning with the stunning Crater Lake.
Gorgeous. So blue. It's amazing.
The color's crazy. I hope the camera picks up that color. It's amazing. Crater Lake is the magical centerpiece to Crater Lake National Park, situated in the beautiful Cascade mountain range of southern Oregon. 7,700 years ago, Mount Mazama erupted and created a caldera, or volcanic basin, that has since been filled with rain and snow, creating Crater Lake. The lake is nearly 5 miles in diameter and is roughly 1,943 feet deep, which makes it the deepest lake in the United States. The lake has no inlets and is fed solely by rain and snow. The park has an annual average snowfall of 43 feet. This is June 1st, and as you can see, there's still a great deal of snow here. In fact, most of the park is still closed due to snow. We are only able to visit 3 viewing areas today. In July and August, visitors can hike down to the lake, swim, and take boat tours. The weather at Crater Lake National Park is extreme, so remember to do some research on the National Park Service websites before visiting. are walking a little trail along the Rogue River just outside of Crater Lake. So pretty. It was like 50 degrees and so windy at Crater Lake. And here it's about 70 degrees and sunny and beautiful. The colors are amazing here. I love all the moss and the rocks.
So let's go find our camp. Here's our camp spot for the night. It's okay to me. Somebody left some flowers.
Aw.
I don't think they were meant for us, but they are now. This will be nice and quiet. All right, it's good to me. So we're gonna get settled in, get camp set up, maybe go take a little hike, relax, and get set up for dinner. So we'll talk to you shortly. So change of plans. We saw a really cool looking ice cream shop right outside the camp area. So we're gonna go check that out.
Ice cream for the win.
All right, we'll talk to you in a bit. How is it? It's good apparently, huh? Okay.
We got back from our ice cream and came back and had a nap. When we got back here, it was hot and there was no wind and the campground was just swarming with mosquitoes. So it seemed like a perfect time to take a nap. So we did that, and now Albert is getting a fire ready, and we're gonna take our chairs and go sit down by the river for a little while and watch that, and then pretty soon get some burgers on, because, you know, I know we just ate ice cream and had a nap, but we have to have dinner. So that's the best I can do of getting a picture of the flowers and trying to get them. Yeah. That air feels good.
Breezy now.
Yeah, it feels nice.
Getting as thin as I can. I'm cooking under the burgers while they're cooking. For you, Sean. Well, here we are.